Hello, welcome back to Houseplant Menageries. Today I'm going to give you a once tour of everything down here, including names and any interesting details if they have something. I'm going to start off with the vegetables, which are that one over there and this one. So here I've got pumpkins, there's 2 in each cell. I've got 4 trays of summer squash and 4 trays of peppers back here. See, the temperature is a little lower than I'd like it to be for the peppers, but I think it'll suffice. I've got 3 of the cocozil squash, which are Italian, 3 golden zucchinis, 3 duranis, 3 different varieties of crookneck squash, 3 patty pan squash, 3 black beauty zucchini, and 3 round zucchini, 2 California wonders, 3 black beauties, chocolate beauties, 3 Carolina Reapers, 3 miniature bells, 3 Anaheim chilies, 3 habaneros, and 3 jalapenos. And the peppers I didn't label. I meant to say pumpkins. Over here we've got a bunch of peppers here, one of which is already up. These are rainbow bells and 1 California wonder. I have this straight 8 cucumber, a black beauty zucchini, and a round zucchini, a little leggy. There's also a butternut squash and 1 more pumpkin in here. I've also got 1 6-pack of little dwarf blue Scottish kale here. Now starting into the houseplants, I have over here some Triscantias, the normal purple, and a variegated, a little, what are these called? Philodendron hassadums. Got an eggplant here from the summer, doing pretty good. I've got this Monstera Ansonii, another Monstera Ansonii, which I want to sell one of these. I kind of want to sell this one, but also it's really nice looking. I have Philodendron micans and the third and final Philodendron hassadum. Got my ficus here looking pretty sad, but it's got some nicer new leaves. Got a cutting of Rhaphidophora tetrasperma, a spider plant, another Triscantia. This one's pretty long, pretty leggy, bare stem. A ruby here. I've got several rubies. I'm going to show the rest of them later. This is a goldfish plant, and this is a single leaf cutting of Philodendron painted lady, and a little Triscantia and a little Brazil cutting. Those are rooted together. If you're wondering, these are the rest of the philodendron rubies, except for the mother plant, but yeah, these are a little bit larger and smaller. I've got a bunch of single leaves that I'm going to use for propagating and selling, and 2 nice ones in here. I also forgot to mention, but down here I have a pot with some lettuce and other greens that I didn't label and I don't remember what I planted. Those are looking pretty bad, honestly. In this tray, it's mostly these Monstera cuttings, but there's also this Anthurium, which is not mine, my larger Philodendron painted lady, my Philodendron Birkin, Philodendron Imperial Red, which is getting a large new leaf. That's exciting. My large pole of Philodendron Palo Verde, a couple little Zingonium Purple Plum, Wendlandii, and I think that's it for this tray. I also got a cutting here. There's a bean, which I don't think will grow. I'm really mad at myself for that one. A pothos, neon pothos, and 2 types of Triscantia. And then the next next tray, we have my 3 main pothos poles. We have golden pothos, neon pothos, and Marble Queen pothos. We have the Zingonium Golden Illusion, Zingonium Wendlandii. This is the top cutting back here. A basil, which isn't mine. A painted lady, another painted lady. This one's looking a little sad. Bring up that leaf. The bean that I chopped and I'm mad at myself about. This little guy, which I think is a Brantianum. I'm not sure. My Philodendron Moonlight, another Philodendron painted lady, a Philodendron Brazil, whatever these are called, I always forget, Another philodendron Brazil. This one's longer. I need to take this off the pole, actually. And there's also a couple bulbs in here. I also forgot to mention, but there is a smaller philodendron Palo Verde up here in the top of the pole for the golden pothos, and a neon pothos on the top of the marble queen pothos. On the end here, I have my red lion amaryllis, which is quite impressive, if I do say so myself. It's kind of dark and dirty over here behind the greenhouse, but I have this Rhaphidophora tetrasperma, which is not mine, and I need to move somewhere brighter. Back of the greenhouse shot. Over here is the mother plant of the rubies I was talking about. Pretty large bush. My philodendron golden mellionii, which is doing great, big new leaf. The large monstera cutting you've probably seen in a few videos. This alocasia is also not mine. I had to hold it up here because it's a little limp, but it's looking pretty good. Over here on the end of this rack is this bench with my original monstera plant that I bought, my large philodendron burley marks, and all my small ones except for one that's upstairs right now, as well as my philodendron heteroraceum, my little mother of 1,000 babies, and my first philodendron Brazil that I bought. Moving on to the succulents, I have this little tray down here of assorted succulents, as well as this one back here. Got a big aloe cutting from my teacher, which is looking a little floppy. I think it needs water. Got my large jade, it's kind of falling over. My older snake plant, which also needs water. This guy, I don't know what it's called. This tray I made a few years ago with a friend. This one, sorry, I don't know succulent names. This one, there's a fun cactus here, I think. String of pearls, variegated. Another snake plant, more jade, some more of these little guys. A cactus that's looking really sad. And a big amaryllis bulb here as well. There's also this one. I have no idea what this is. I traded it with my friend for a Monstera Ansonii, and he has one too, and we have no idea what these are. Upstairs. I have to be quieter upstairs. I have 4 of these, but only 2 of them are here. This window, I have a pot with Zygonium Golden Illusion, a couple different pothoses you've already seen, a purple Tretoscantia, Scindopsis Silvery Ann. Got my big monstera here, Audrey. Look at these leaves. This new leaf. Nice fenestrations and perforations. Got my nice purple Tretoscantia, my nice green Tretoscantia. Over here we have the long Epicromnum Cebu Blue. Another snake plant, don't know the name. Spider plant, string of hearts, super long, taller than I am. Also got this Monstera Ansonii, which is well rooted into that pole. It's kind of hard to tell because it's not watered right now, but it's got a lot of roots in there. Here we've got that one burley marks I said was still upstairs. A amaryllis, which just stopped flowering. I should probably bring back downstairs. Got a leaf coming out there. My Xanthosoma magnificum, my orchid, and over here is another snake plant that I also don't know the name of. 2 purple plum zingoniums, a pink zingonium, and this pot with, I'm not even sure what. This big guy, again, can't remember the name of these. Over there is my second pothos pole. And that's it for upstairs. Last spot is inside the greenhouse here. And I'm not gonna pull anything out, so we're gonna start on the top shelf. I've got 1 pink princess, a fuzzy petiole philodendron. This is a Rhaphidophora decurvia, and this is too. This is a more mature one. Philodendron bilidiae, philodendron white princess, one of my many philodendron gloriouses, a little philodendron melanochrysum, a string of turtles, another glorious, my gloriosum, Florida Ghost, and my Alocasia Michelitziana. And then down on the bottom here, we have my Philodendron Micans, Philodendron Fuzzy Petiole, 2 more Gloriouses here, and the Philodendron Golden Crocodile, another Glorious. Down here we have 2 more Pink Princesses, and 3 actually, Florida Greens, and 1 more larger Pink Princess back here. And I believe that's it for everything. So thank you for watching through this little tour of everything. And please feel free to ask any questions in the comments about anything you saw. And until next time, bye.